This is the mechanism you have seen in front of me through which Newton's third law of motion can be observed. So when a series of magnets and balls are aligned, a simple magnetic linear accelerator is created. This experiment demonstrates the fundamentals of conservation of energy and momentum principles, as well as the properties of magnetism. When one of the steel balls line up in a certain order on the assembly where strong neodymium magnets are placed is gently touched, the moving steel balls will increase 3 or 4 times their normal speed with the power of magnets. You can see the magnets here. There are 4 magnets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And let's try it. Now I'm going to place the steel balls on mechanism. And then, as you can see, one ball is left. As a result, it is useful to explain the following. There is an equal and opposite reaction to every action. These expressions means that in every interaction there is a pair of forces acting on 2 objects interacting with each other. The magnitude of the force applied to the first object is equal to the magnitude of the force applied to the second object. The direction of the force applied to the first object is opposite to the direction of the force applied to the second object. Forces are always in pairs. These are called equal and opposite action-reaction force pairs.